There is a huge misconception about being flirtatious and being friendly. A lot of people are just friendly and it might come across as them being interested when in reality it just shows how they are naturally. Did they playfully tease you and did they come out and explicitly tell you that they are interested? Probably not. So let's discuss how you can find out and what signals you have to look for the next time you both see each other. So let's jump into the video to see the top flirting secrets women do. Before we begin, we publish good content videos every day. If you're not subscribed to the channel, just tap the subscribe button below. Welcome to High Minded. Today we're gonna talk about the exciting new video of top 5 flirting signs men should know about women with rankings. Dotting eyes, looking away and then look back at you. Strength of the signal is 6 out of 10. This is one of the most common eye contact flirting signs, but it can be subtle and easy to miss. You will see this when you are out. The key here is actually calibration and understanding. When she is looking away because she doesn't want you to talk to her, or looking away because of a bit of shyness. However, if she meets eyes with you, looks away, and determinedly doesn't look at you again, then she probably doesn't want to talk to you. This might well be accompanied by a tight look on her face, slightly tense. You will need to learn to spot the difference. This one is a micro signal that happens fast. Showing her neck to you. Strength of flirting sign is 7 out of 10. I'm sure you are aware this is a strong signal of submission in the animal kingdom. So, when the female human primate does this, it's a pretty clear sign that she is signaling attraction to you. The reason is she is trying to awaken your instincts for dominance, which as we all know is universally attractive masculine trait. Showing her neck to you is a clear sign of women is interested in you. If you see girl doing this, take it as a strong green light. Running fingers through or playing with her hair. Strength of fleeting sign is 7.5 out of 10. This is a very clear sign of female attraction and you can pretty much take it as a green light. Hair flipping is actually a pretty common way that a girl will signal attraction to you. If a girl keeps playing with her hair when talking to you, then try and move things forward by asking for her number and taking her on a date there and then. Playing with her hair is usually accompanied by other female signs of flirting, as you will see. The only real exception would be if she got long hair which is getting in her face and she is moving it out of the way. Playing with her hair is different, possibly the strongest signal if she puts her hair near her mouth and bites on it. Lightly touching you on the arm or shoulder. Strength of the signal is 8.5 out of 10. This is one of the most powerful signs there is. Girls instinctively seem to know is the most powerful way of creating attraction and flirting. They don't need to learn it like guys. Needless to say, if a girl touches your arm or shoulder or any part of your body, even if it's only just fleetingly, then this is a definite command, strong green light. She is relaxed and excited around you. Strength of the signal is 9 out of 10. When a woman is feeling relaxed and excited around you, that means the beginning elements of chemistry and love interest are present. You guys must remember this chemistry equation. Relaxation plus excitement equal to chemistry. Why is this so? Because she must feel relaxed in order for her excitement towards you to be positive. You can't have a positive experience of excitement towards someone unless you feel relaxed around that person too. Excitement is important because if she only feels relaxed around you, then where's the attraction? Nowhere. So both relaxation and excitement together is equal to one of the most biggest signs. So guys, I think you guys enjoyed this video. Please click the like button below this video and subscribe to the channel.